Hi folks, Colin here, back with more rock and roll. Good to see you as always. Today we're going to have a look at one of my favourite licks by a band called the Groupies. This song came out about, I think, mid-60s, 1965. So the Groupies were a band from New York, sort of a garage rock band. They didn't last very long. I think they're probably... The song I'm going to talk about is called Primitive, and I think the lyrics describe an alternative lifestyle which is away from the system and getting away from consumerism and capitalism and straight society and all that kind of stuff. And I suspect that they got more and more into that kind of alternative lifestyle and they never came back. So anyway, this is a great song. And it was covered by a band called the Cramps, who you may know, Poison Ivy, a great guitar player. And the band were very good at actually finding a lot of old kind of music that was really good but nobody had heard of. And they brought that back into sort of public, mainstream sort of attention, so we should be grateful for that. So this song, it's in the key of E. Now I've got my Behringer Super Fuzz pedal on today, so that is a SF300, and the settings are, so I've got the treble about 1 o'clock, gain at 11 o'clock, level about 10 o'clock, and bass about 11 o'clock as well, so that gives you an idea. And I'm playing it through a Blues Cube with tremolo setting on the clean channel, would you believe? It gives you that lovely kind of tone. I'm trying to replicate the sort of 60s garage vibe. Now this riff is quite famous actually. I think it originally started off as part of Howlin' Wolf's song Smokestack Lightning, is that right? Tell me in the comments because I get it wrong sometimes. So it's in the key of E obviously, so you play the E chord, open E, then you play open on the top 2 strings, then 3 on the top 2 strings. Now you could give that a little bit of a bend. Then you're going up to 4 on the G, play that twice, 2 on the G, open on the G, then 2 on the D, open, back to bottom E. We're going to go up to the B chord. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to play this. If you know your E-shaped bar chord, it's 7th fret. 1 fret back, then A, 5th fret. Go folks, a nice little riff for you, have fun with that. So just other news, bit of unfortunate news really. So my band split up, which is a bit disappointing. The lead singer, I think he's just got too much on and he just can't cope with the pressure anymore of having to do rehearsals and gigs and things like that. So I'm kind of without a band at the moment, so maybe that's good news in a way because I've got more time to devote to YouTube. Thanks to everyone who watches my videos, I really appreciate it. We're up to 12,000 subscribers now, which is just amazing. None of that is, it's all organic growth, so that's real people who've clicked on my videos and watched them, and I appreciate all the comments, I appreciate everyone who subscribes to videos. As I say, I'm probably going to have a bit more time to make more videos coming up, so that maybe the production standards will improve. So if you've been holding off subscribing, maybe now's the time. And I've also got an awful lot of content which I've never shared because I've been using it in my own band, but because I'm not doing that anymore, I might just actually make a lot of videos quite quickly just to record a lot of these ideas, because I tend to forget them if I don't actually make videos. A lot of the songs that I learned a long time ago I've forgotten already, so I might do that. I'm probably going to do some finger picking, Travis picking stuff in the next week or so, looking at some of the early Elvis Sun Studios tracks, because Scotty Moore's guitar work at that time is really interesting, and if you get the hang of it, it's not too difficult. Anyway folks, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep rocking.